Hey everyone, if AnyDesk login is not working, you're unable to sign in to your account, or you keep getting login errors, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you regain access to AnyDesk. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent AnyDesk from communicating with its servers. Next, double-check your email address and password. Yeah, even a small typing mistake can cause login failures. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option. Creating a new password can quickly restore access to your account. Try closing AnyDesk completely and opening it again. So, temporary software glitches can sometimes affect the login process. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, turn it off temporarily. Certain network routes can interfere with account authentication. Make sure your system date and time are correct. Yeah, incorrect settings can cause authentication problems. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often contain bug fixes and improvements for account services. Corrupted cache files can sometimes cause login issues. Clearing temporary files may solve the problem. If the login problem continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. So a fresh installation can repair damaged files. Sometimes the problem may be related to temporary server outages. Yeah, waiting a while and trying again later can help. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional assistance. They may be able to identify account-related or server-side issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk login not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.